Hi, I'm Jonathan Bikman, and I'm the Director of Fulfillment here at Namify. What I do as a Director of Fulfillment is I work with all of the production managers in their areas every day to ensure that the products that we make are correct and going out on time to our customers. And then we'll just go out to the floor and kind of meet with the different production areas, see how they're doing. I like to make sure I say hello to everyone every single day out on that warehouse floor. I feel it's important to make sure I connect with them and to let them know that I care about them and care what they do for us, because we are only as successful as they are. So let's go. We have a few departments that are missing some people. We're down in name tags, we're missing a few there, and so I'm going to send most of you over there. Receiving's down a few. Chino, I'm going to have you help with heat transfer again today, just going through all the vinyls, going through separating them, pairing them up, and getting into the bins. So thank you very much. So let's get to it, guys. See ya. Thanks. Break. Looks like you guys are doing all right today. You should be able to get everything out.
Yeah, they'll be done by the end of the day.
They'll be done, yeah. That's awesome. How long have you been here now for?
I think it's been a little over a month.
A little over a month. And this week you've been averaging over 40 a day.
40 a day.
Yeah, that's impressive. Undefined. That's hard for you to look at if it's undefined. We'll get with maybe IT or development, see what they can do to help us find that. Hey, Multiline, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's the day been so far?
Busy.
Busy. That's good though, right?
Busy.
Nice. Camden, how you doing?
Good.
Good. How are you learning this? Is this coming along all right for you?
Yeah, no, it's been good.
Okay, awesome. I sure appreciate you doing this for us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where's my high five?
Look at these days. This is amazing. Don't actually know what my numbers are.
No, you've been doing quite well. What do you think's been the biggest thing for you to be that successful?
The people that I work with, really.
Okay, that's awesome. I like that. That's quite nice.
Yeah?
Not bad at all.
I like that. It's quite nice.
But also, too, with that, though, we need to be concerned about our own area first, though, right?
Right.
If I'm watching over and I'm thinking, well, what's Tina doing over there? Don't worry, but don't worry what Tina's doing. She knows what she's doing. She has an assignment. It's not about what they're doing. It's what are you doing, right? You got my high five from you? Acha. My hands are cold today. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know.
I know, they're super cold. I apologize. Full color. How are things in there?
I love it.
Do you love it?
I do.
What do you like so much about
I
it?
just like I get so much done. I feel accomplished.
That's
So
good.
I like doing.
Once again, I'm Jonathan Bikman, the Director of Fulfillment. Hopefully you're able to keep up with me today as I walked you through the organized chaos here at Namify, and we're able to see a little bit of what we do each day and the interactions that I have on a daily basis. Thanks.